Actively getting Google reviews and other testimonials from customers are an excellent digital marketing strategy to implement for businesses. Making it easy and streamlined for customers to leave a Google review leads to increased customer interaction and brand building. Installing our customer reviews and testimonial collection widget on business websites enables more reviews to be collected quickly and easily.
Here I am on one of our clients' website, and this is where we installed our Google reviews widget for them. Now, options are Google, Facebook, and Yelp. You can have all three, but you can understand, depend upon the client, and obviously sometimes it's difficult to get customers to leave reviews. In this case, we opted just for Google. So if we install this on the website, we can install it in different positions on the website, but we found it on the bottom right. Works well. And also all this text can be modified. So I'm already logged into Google. If your client isn't, they will be prompted to log into their Google account. So it's quite simple. Customers, and this is much easier than asking customers, please log into Google and find us and leave a review. It's already configured. All they need to do is go to your main website, click on the widget that we installed, and then they will be taken directly to Google. Now, of course, I'm already logged in, and I'm logged in as Capit Hauser, and then the options are to leave the star reviews, good quality and professional. Yes, I use the business, and the services listed here are based upon the type of business. These come from Google, and because this is a carpentry company, funny enough, they do mainly loft conversions. But of course, Google pulls the data from their database. So you can select the services from Google's list, and then you have the option here of typing in your details and add in photos of your loft conversions or your staircase or the roofing that they did for you, and then post to Google. And for businesses, this is a streamlined, excellent way to collect more Google reviews, making it easier for the customer. So if you'd like this installed on your business website, contact us at Capit Hauser, excuse me, and we'll be happy to be of service to you today. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks, I'm Stephen.